Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 6 over 11 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, we simplify 121 for 11 square in here. Number 6 with the power 2, you got about 36. We can do about factorization by 36. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. dx we have number 6 over 11 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. So this one we have 36 over 121 sine t square. And now we need to simplify 121 on numerator and denominator. So 36 we can do about factorization. This one we change cosine t square. The square root of 36 cosine t square, we have number 6 cosine t. And now we need to simplify the integration of dt. We have t about t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by this number in here. And now you got about t equal to r side of this one. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.